Hi, friends. Good morning. Good morning to everybody for this wonderful initiative wherein, in this pandemic, we are all able to come on, virtual expo and meet each other and see each other's products and interact on the business platform. So this is a good morning from AcuPack Engineering Private Limited. We are a company from India. We are a very young 20-year-old company, basically, which has its factory and office in Navi Mumbai, which is around 20 kilometers from Mumbai airport. And we are basically into manufacturing of format parts for blister packing machines and cartoning machines worldwide. We manufacture for more than 80 or 85 different types of models. Apart from that, we also manufacture blister packing machines and cartoning machines. We also have a division in our business which manufactures, which makes software for managing the data of all the pharmaceutical industry. I take this opportunity to thank the GPE team for allowing me to do the presentation for our products. First, I will speak about format parts. We manufacture format parts for blister machines and cartoning machines, wherein we do the entire manufacturing right from the blister layouts up to the testing in-house. We have a team of around 300 people. All the latest manufacturing CNC machines, wire cut machines, all the manufacturing facilities in-house. We follow the ISO 9001 standards for manufacturing, and we cover the blister machines from companies like Ullman, CAM, Romaco, ACG, LMAC, EMA PG, EMA Italy, also our range of machines, and Honga, Marchesini. So this is a wide range of machines for which we have a database from last 20 years. If we go across last 20 years, we must have delivered more than 40 to 45,000 format parts, change parts for different types of machines, including India as well as entire Maghreb, entire GCC, lot of African countries, lot of countries in CIS, right up till USA, UK, and this side, in Australia and New Zealand. So we have been doing this format parts business from last 20 years. We have a very strong technical team of people wherein, they are highly educated, highly skilled on manufacturing format parts. We do, tablets, capsules, soft gelatins. We do multi-products. We do kit packing. We also are part of lot of launches wherein, format parts are concerned. And what we focus on, our key area is feeding systems. When you buy blister machines, cartoning machines, normally, the bottleneck is feeding systems. Typical products are manufactured by the R&D team, and then the packaging team faces a lot of challenges when it comes to feeding systems. We have an expertise in doing different types of feeding systems, and with proud we would say, lot of places we have increased the efficiency of the machine, the speed of the packing by just giving a different feeding solution. So AcuPack is known for critical feeding solutions. AcuPack is known for timely delivery of change parts across the world. And we've been doing this business from long time, and would request yourself to give an opportunity for us to do this for your company as well. Our teams are spread across the world, and we send our service engineers also to do the installations. So this was all about our packaging format parts. We do the same for cartoning machines as well. Speaking about packaging machines business, we, as I said, have our experience spreading across last 2 decades for format parts. We also started building format parts for European machines from 2007, 2008, which gave us an understanding about the difference of quality between Asian machines, European machines, and Japanese machines, which enabled us to understand what is the difference between all the makes of machines. And we also decided, okay, let's make our own blister packing machine and cartoning machines, because customers typically were looking at European quality but a better price because of the budget constraint. So we decided to design the machines in Europe and manufacture them in India. So this helped us to, park our machines in at par with European machines, but of course the price advantage, because they are manufactured in India. we have a very large state-of-the-art facility which is spread across 100,000 square feet, which is 10,000 square meters in the heart of Navi Mumbai. It's a state-of-the-art facility with testing facility inside for permit parts, R&D inside for feeding systems, as well as a huge span wherein we also manufacture the machines, and we have our own QC team, we have our own IT team, and we also have now a sales office in Europe, which helps us to sell our machines in Europe also. So what we are doing essentially is we started with one machine design in Europe. We do the prototype machine in Europe, and then we do the tech transfer of that machines in India, and we then start manufacturing that machines in India. All the designs are completely property of Acupack and are free from patent. Why I say is because in a lot of companies, get into trouble this, and we wanted to, create a brand. So these machine designs are bought by us, they are owned by us, and they are patented by us for next 20 years plus. So first, now I will, take this opportunity to take all of you through one of our machine video, and then I will also share a detailed presentation about that machine video today. So I just share the screen to show you the video.
You always wanted to create a difference. You wanted a new, easier approach in packing. You wanted much more from your machine. Today, we aren't just introducing a new machine. We are introducing a new way of thinking about what a machine can do. Introducing Victory and Galaxy, the perfect high-speed packing line. For the first time, machines designed with design in mind. Now, with the elegant smooth lines of Victory and Galaxy, the details of design are visible. Not just in memorable, classy appearance, but also in 30 to 40% more output that creates the ultimate difference. Larger format area at high speed is what you've always wanted. For we know that speed and hassle-free mechanism is what you have been craving for. Its unique oscillating feeder enables wide range of products at high feeding rate. A true advancement in engineering, an easy-to-use machine for all. Integrates any visual inspection system to ensure the perfect product quality. Victory comes with unique print registration control, equipped with stretching mechanism that ensures no half-moon blisters. Victory's sealing station ensures overload protection. For the first time ever, a machine conceptualized with one word in mind: efficiency. For better impression and quicker setting, Victory comes equipped with separate stations for embossing and perforation. To give you the desired speed with accuracy, we have designed a unique punch indexing mechanism which eliminates repetitive setting hassles. With our 20 years of experience with the pharma industry, various machines and change parts, and our understanding of what your packing department actually needs, we have designed Victory with tool-free format changeover in 30 minutes. Designed in Europe, Victory provides highest operator comfort and fastest product-to-product time. It's no surprise that Victory delivers 400 blisters per minute consistently. Victory, with elegant ease, aligns with Galaxy to give you that perfect line machine. first of its kind, Galaxy is designed with servo-driven technology, with 3 rotary pickup arms ensuring positive carton opening at high speeds. We have designed the Galaxy, ensuring no friction to cartons while movement. It is compatible with pre-folded as well as online leaflet folding units. An operator's best friend, Galaxy ensures their comfort at every level and gives complete access to them with ease. Not just in ease of use, Galaxy is also a completely maintenance-free machine. Imagine an easier life with more output and better experience. You define the possibilities and we will redefine what a machine can do. Accupax, Victory and Galaxy. Not just machines, but your partners in generating product output that matches your business goals.
So thank you very much, everybody, to view this video. The line which we now call as Harmony. The video was shot couple of years back. The design at that time was, as you see, squarish, and later on what we did is we enrolled and we started working with an engineering institute called IIT in India, and we changed the shape of the machine to suit your requirements. So now the Harmony looks exactly how you all can see on the your screens. The shape is made much more curvy just because we got the feedback from customers that a lot of places where the tablets are not coated, the powder gets settled in particular sharp corners, which becomes the audit little bit difficult. So we have made the corners with radius so that there is no powder particles which can go and get settled there. As explained in the video, it's a state-of-the-art line, blister cartoning line with 400 blisters per minute. What we focus basically is, on the operational efficiency. Whenever we buy a packing line, we are looking at particular output in your 8 hours of shift. And normally it's seen that, if it was planned at 1.5 million tablets, it gives you 0.8 or 0.9 or maybe 1 million. What we are focusing is on 85% of efficiency, operational efficiency. When we say that it constitutes of all the setting parameters, it constitutes of all the, any stoppages which comes between for read holder changing or for any other errors or anything because of which the machine gets stopped. So considering all these things, we are able to commit you 85% plus efficiency, operational efficiency in a shift. So if you're planning 1.5 million tablets or 1 million tablets, you can look at actual output of 85% of that. Why we say that? Because because of our format part experience of last 2 decades, we have actually understood each and every issue because of which the machine gets stopped. And we have covered that and rectified that while designing this machine. So this machine altogether has 14 servo motors. Servo motor helps you to make it, user friendly, even when you have new operators, when you have got unskilled operators, the setting becomes easy. The changeover becomes much more easier. This machine has got features like, overload sensors. This machine has got features like, temperature settings for perforation and embossing from the touchscreen in the front. All the guards are completely closed, and that's why if you can see in the image, the HMI and the camera HMI both are on the front fascia of the polycarbonate guards. What we feel is if the tablets are as per the size, if the machine is perfectly built, if the format parts is as per the requirement, there is no need to keep the guards open. Let's run the machine after closing the guards, and it should run at the speed what has been desired, what has been committed in the blister layout. So this machine, which spreads approximately around 8 meters in length, is designed not to increase, have a huge area, huge space requirements are not required. And it's a very, very compact line in 8 meters, which gives you 400 blisters a minute. So what we are looking to explain you is, a state of the art equipment from our side. To go into details, we are, I'm just zooming the screen a little bit over here so that I can explain you. Over here, what we are talking about is the machine has, two reel holders, a splice table and splicing unit to ensure that whenever one reel is over, we can just connect the two films to each other without any wastage of time. Then we have a very nice heating platens which are, built to ensure that the thermoforming is heated properly. We have a very large format area. The format area of this machine is 260 millimeter wide and advanced is 180 millimeter. This enables you to fit in a lot of different combinations of tablets and blisters and give you 400 output. When I'm talking about 400 output, I'm talking about a blister size of 48 millimeter width and 100 millimeter length. This is typically around 8.5 or 9 tablet blister, and you can get 400 blisters of this size. Here, over here, as you saw in the video, we have oscillating feeding system, which takes care of the high feeding rate for a very wide variety of tablets. Then we have product out of the pocket. This explains you, that whenever you have product in case out on the web, it does not allow it to go into the ceiling. It stops the machine there. After that, we have the cameras which checks, in case if there is any product which is not filled. Then we have the sealing station where we have overlaid sensors. Just in case if any tablet has jumped out of the pocket during the camera inspection area or after that, before sealing, the overload sensors alarms the machine and the machine stops itself. Because nowadays, if the blister and cartoning line are connected to each other, there is no possibility that this tablet which has jumped out of the pocket, which has got sealed, there is no way that we can catch it later and the bad product can go to the market. So here in Acupak's blister packing line, we ensure that this has been stopped there and that can be rejected instead of taking the bad blisters to the market. We have printing units over the top. We can also have inkjet printing over there. And then we have separate embossing station, separate perforation station, and separate cutting station. One of the advantage which I would like to mention over here is we have automatic indexing. So when there is a blister in your hand and when we want to maintain the centralization of the blister with equal margins on both the sides, normally in conventional blister machines, the operator has to use their settings to take this front and back, which takes almost 30-40 minutes of your setting time. In Acupak's blister machine, we have made this automatic. So the moment you put you pass your web through this entire thing after sealing, it automatically adjusts the center of the blister and you don't get offset blisters. So after that, we have got cutting tool over here. We have got rejection beans. We have got all that separate trim bin, separate rejection bin, and then we have got overdrive, which gets you to the magazine for the good blisters to go ahead in the cartoning. We have here the dropping to be done with the help of 4 servo motors. So these servo motors enables is the correct and accurate dropping of the blisters into the bucket conveyor. It can be 1 blister, 2 blister, 3 blister, 5 blisters as per the program. And then later, if you go to the cartoning machine, we have got here sensors which checks the height of the blisters, and if there is any error in the counting of the blisters and dropping, it rejects it. And if there is no blisters, there is no carton, there is no leaflet. We have, as you saw in the video, we have very unique way of picking up the cartons. We are doing the positive opening, which helps us to open the cartons in a positive way and drop it on the machine. So there is normal carton opening. The best advantage out of this cartoning machine is the pushing is from the back. The advantage it gives is the moment you open these 2 doors, you are able to access this machine in a very, very detailed way. And this is no friction to the cartons. So overall, it's a beauty machine. The cartoning machine is very, very compact. And what we are able to offer you is a line machine which will enable you to get 400 blisters per minute on a constant basis. As I mentioned, you guys, designed in Europe, manufactured in India. We are able to give service from India. We have service engineers across the globe, and we look forward to have inquiries from all of you guys and allow us to give more detailed presentation on these products. and interact with you on one-on-one. Our marketing and sales team is there to connect you guys during all these 5 days, and we'll be happy to assist you for any inquiries or any concerns you have. I take this opportunity to thank you all and for giving me all the precious time of yours, and look forward to interact with you in future. Thank you very much. Thank you. Yes, Zala.